Welcome to the Ultimate Copywriting Masterclass, where you will learn how to take your copywriting for your dropshipping business from zero to expert. Increase your sales and conversions by optimizing your copy to grow your online store. My name is Sophie and I'm a professional copywriter and marketing specialist, and I'll be leading you through the course. I have a question for you. When it comes to writing copy, do you struggle to find the right words? Or do you have the opposite problem and find yourself rambling on and on forever? You know you've got to be persuasive to get those sales, to get people to pay attention and hopefully say yes to what you have to offer. But how do you write about you and your business without sounding salesy? Well, this course has the answer to all of those concerns and more. In this course, you're going to learn the secrets to writing copy that connects and converts. In this course, you're going to learn the secrets to writing copy that connects and converts. You will walk away with some simple and actionable tools to make your writing more compelling, more genuine, and more persuasive. Techniques and formulas that you can use and apply to your writing right away. Copywriting is an essential skill in every aspect of your professional and personal life. The words you write in your emails, blog posts, and on social media, your website, the list goes on, both online and offline. Copy is any piece of writing that has to do with you and your business or your brand. If you use copy in any one of these situations, this course can help you. A bit about me, I'm an Oxford University graduate and I studied English language for my undergraduate degree. I have many years' experience working in marketing. I have worked in marketing roles and written copy for companies such as the BBC, as well as for personal clients and small businesses. Plus, I also ran my own successful blog for a number of years. With all my experience copywriting, I know what works. I'll show you the strategies that I have used that have brought me customers and clients. I want this course to be as if it was just me and you in a private consultancy meeting where I completely overhaul your existing copy and show you how to make it fresh. But first, if you're wondering whether you really need this skill, here's a question for you. Have you ever read a few sentences of a website and found yourself making a purchase before you even realize what you're doing? I know I've done it. We've all been there. And that is the power of good copy. And if you thought you could succeed without it, well, think again. Attracting more of your ideal customers can often just be a matter of changing a few key words. This course is for you if you want to promote and enhance your own website, but you don't want the additional cost of paying a copywriter. This course is for you even if you don't run your own business, but your job requires copywriting. Because let me tell you, everything requires copywriting. Writing a CV requires good copy. If you want a cover letter that's going to get you that job, it requires good copy. If you yourself are a marketeer and you want to brush up on your copywriting skills, or if you're a writer and you want to start earning an income from your copywriting, this course is for you. No matter what your experience so far, there will be something you can learn from this course. You can write copy that sets you apart and, more importantly, write copy that sells. And you can have fun doing it. What's more, you can start right now. I'd be so honoured to have you on the course, so don't delay. Take the first step towards writing great copy and enroll now. I hope to see you inside the course. Here's what you're going to learn inside this course.